They're all going
Oh,
together.
damn it.
This shore is beautiful. They're all going to Russia, eh? Or they're coming from Russia. I wonder how many thousands there are.
Beautiful, huh?
There's thousands of them.
So awesome. You know, we must not let this disappear.
They're still going to be here when we're all gone.
Well,
They've been living for centuries and centuries.
well, I hope we go quick so that we allow them that, if that's the way it has to go.
Birds have been around since dinosaur days, so they're going to survive long beyond us.
Good for them. May they inherit the earth. We sure don't deserve it.